Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna be fixing some stuff, some leaks, and adding some stuff to the electronic system. So, I bought some stuff, don't mind all the mess, that's fine. I got this bad boy for the generator, I got this seal, was supposed to get another one, but the store didn't have any. I got a voltage meter, I got some of these bad boys, and I got clamps for the battery. And yeah, I just put it all on. So while I was not filming, before, not now, like way ago, I got new generator. Yeah, we're gonna hook this thing up today, hopefully. Hello. Right, so we have oil leaks here. This is with oil. I also off camera retightened the head with the actual torque thingy wrench special guy, and today I also want to change these thingies because they're very leaky. Oh shit, it's stuck, man. Okay, here are the new washers. Here's the screw. Looks pretty good. Thread is all nice. Clean all this off. I'm just gonna put it back together. And that's that. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Okay, I have some temporary wiring. I still have the old box just in case I fry it. Some crappy battery that almost holds 12 volts. And as you can see, this thingy shows up. Very nice. I'm just gonna try to start the engine and see if this goes up.
Is the small perdedors?
Hello everyone, I'm back. Today I got some new parts. I got this what was it called? No, thingy. Because the one in the engine block is leaking, and then I got some other stuff. I got this prototype cabin heater that I've made, so might test this thing out today. Okay, here's the new thingy I made. Hopefully all the dials and stuff fit. Okay, I put in this thingy, flick the switch, you get light. Very nice, just this little switch, you can see. So this one I'm gonna replace now. I mean, you can't really see that it's leaking right now, but when the engine's running there's of course more pressure and then it leaks definitely. Also off camera I fixed the hood finally. I didn't weld anything, I just added some metal plates with some screws. It is double layer here, if you can see. You can see there's two layers here where the broken pieces are, like here and here. And I kinda screwed it together and now it holds. Also off camera I have done something even more. I have made a new frame for this window. It's just a prototype, it probably won't be here forever, you know, but I've 3D printed these new bits. I could have like bought some, but I couldn't find any, so I just 3D printed some of these. It's a little dirty. So I bought some spray paint, just some pretty cheap stuff. It's probably not gonna hold very well, but I just wanna test the color. Okay, there's already quite a difference. Just like 3 layers. Yeah, looks way better. I mean, you can still clearly see all the dents and stuff. So pretty much spent the whole canister thingy for one side. It's not dry, I just made a new layer, that's why it's all shiny, but it's looking not too bad. So this side I'm actually cleaning with an angle grinder first. It sucks though, because this one, it broke and I fixed it, but it doesn't have like the cooling fan thingy inside it anymore, so it overheats. But now it's all nice and clean. Well, some parts cleaner than others, but the old paint is coming off pretty easily. Okay, here's the first layer on the side and on the top. Looking very nice. Just need to wait a couple of minutes for it to dry. It's kind of windy here, so some of the paint kind of gets wasted. Okay, that's pretty much the whole thing painted. Just a fresh layer, so yeah. Now that there's new paint, you can see so many like dents, man. Oh my god, this thing has not been treated well. So yeah, but it looks nice though. Okay guys, I finally got the tractor running. This is all looking nice. I got the tractor running. I'm testing some lights just to see how bright they would be if they would actually work properly. Okay, so everything works. All the lights work. Heater also works. Well, didn't get to warm up that much because I only ran the tractor for a few minutes. This light amazingly works. This AliExpress light that costs like €2, man. It works. Oh god, my phone flashlight doesn't work for some reason. This light also works. This is not a new light, I just got a new bulb. You can see it's all like messed up inside, so that works. Very nice. Right, hello viewers, I got some new parts again. I got some lights, I got a fuel line, and some washers. So let's install all that. Checking off the old lights. Also the turn signals, I won't be needing them. Yeah. Kinda sucks that these are broken because I like these ones, but they're broken. Yeah. Come out. Come on, you bastard. Easy, mate. And then I'm gonna be putting in the new lights in these middle holes. Okay. I got the new lights. They're pretty cheap. They were like €7 each. What worries me is these bits are made of plastic and stuff. Also used to have like a grid of plastic in front of it, but I cut that out and the lights work better now. Ta-da! Done. So, replacing the fuel line now. See this new one. The old one had a problem. It's made out of like some hard plastic and kind of had like leaking air into the system, which wasn't very good. So it messed with the tractor, so the tractor wouldn't run when it's low on fuel. Okay, I also got a new fuel cap thingy. Can't. Slippy gloves. So this one has a nice little chain. Actually, do I have fuel? I don't think so. Well, shit. How the heck am I gonna do this? Oops. Nothing. Hello. I just have to screw it on and stuff. Oh my god, I broke my back.